Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to define SMART goals with mp3.Academy. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. With the SMART framework, you'll learn how to break down your ambitions into clear, actionable steps that lead to real progress. Whether you're looking to advance your career, improve your health, or achieve personal growth, mp3.Academy offers the strategies and insights to help you create meaningful goals and stay motivated along the way. Let's dive into how defining SMART goals can transform the way you pursue success. Learning how to define SMART goals is a crucial step in turning your dreams into achievable realities. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to create goals that follow the SMART framework, ensuring that each goal you set is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By defining your goals in this structured way, you make them clear, actionable, and trackable. This process eliminates the confusion and uncertainty that often comes with vague goal setting and instead gives you a solid roadmap for success. With SMART goals, you can break down large ambitions into manageable steps, making progress easier and more consistent. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. The first element of a SMART goal is that it must be specific. Vague goals like be healthier or do better at work don't provide enough direction. At mp3.Academy, we guide you in making your goals as specific as possible by answering detailed questions like what you want to achieve, why it's important, and how you will reach it. A more specific version of be healthier might be exercise for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. Being specific helps you visualize your goal and understand exactly what you need to do to accomplish it, turning a broad ambition into a clear target. Next, a SMART goal should be measurable. Without a way to measure progress, it's hard to stay motivated or know when you've succeeded. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of setting measurable goals so that you can track your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. For example, instead of setting a goal to save more money, a measurable goal would be save $200 each month. Having a specific number or milestone to aim for keeps you focused and gives you tangible evidence of your success. A SMART goal also needs to be achievable. It's important to challenge yourself, but your goal should still be realistic given your resources and constraints. At mp3.Academy, we help you assess whether a goal is within reach while still pushing you outside your comfort zone. For example, setting a goal to write a book in a month might not be realistic for someone with a full-time job, but setting a goal to write a chapter each month is much more achievable. Setting achievable goals boosts your confidence as you reach each milestone, building momentum for continued success. Relevance is another key factor in defining SMART goals. A goal needs to be aligned with your broader life objectives and values to stay meaningful. At mp3.Academy, we encourage you to evaluate how each goal fits into your larger vision, ensuring that the effort you put into it will have a lasting impact. For example, if career growth is a priority for you, a relevant goal might be to complete a certification course in your field. This relevance ensures that your goals are not just tasks to check off a list, but are deeply connected to your long-term aspirations. The final component of a SMART goal is that it must be time-bound. Setting a deadline creates a sense of urgency, helping you avoid procrastination. At mp3.Academy, we guide you in establishing realistic timelines for each goal, ensuring that you stay on track. For example, instead of saying, "I'll get in shape eventually," a time-bound goal would be, "I will run a 5K race within the next 3 months." This deadline keeps you motivated and ensures that you're continually moving toward your goal rather than putting it off indefinitely. One of the biggest benefits of defining SMART goals is that they provide clarity. When you know exactly what you want to achieve and how you're going to do it, You eliminate the guesswork and uncertainty that can lead to inaction. At mp3 Academy, we help you gain clarity through the SMART framework, so you can move forward with confidence. Each goal becomes a clear, well-defined objective, and you can focus your energy on taking the necessary steps to achieve it. In addition to clarity, SMART goals help you maintain accountability. Since each goal is specific, measurable, and time-bound, it's easy to check your progress regularly and hold yourself accountable for staying on track. At mp3 Academy, we recommend regularly reviewing your goals and adjusting them as needed. This accountability not only keeps you focused, but also helps you overcome obstacles more effectively, as you can evaluate what's working and what needs to change. Another important aspect of defining SMART goals is that they keep you motivated. By breaking your larger goals into smaller, achievable milestones, you create opportunities to celebrate progress along the way. At mp3 Academy, we teach you how to set smaller, intermediate goals that act as stepping stones toward your ultimate objective. Each success gives you a confidence boost, reinforcing your motivation and keeping you committed to reaching the finish line. Finally, SMART goals give you a way to measure success in a clear and objective manner. At mp3 Academy, we show you how to define success for each goal by establishing specific metrics and deadlines. This allows you to track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. When your goals are well-defined and measurable, you can evaluate your efforts, learn from your challenges, and continue improving as you work toward achieving more ambitious objectives. In conclusion, learning how to define SMART goals with mp3 Academy can significantly enhance your ability to set and achieve meaningful objectives. By ensuring that your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you create a clear path to success. This structured approach helps you stay focused, motivated, and accountable, making it easier to track your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. Ultimately, defining SMART goals empowers you to transform your ambitions into concrete, achievable outcomes, paving the way for lasting success.